Well, certain cases and certain issues are beyond our imagination. Well, one such case is coming to fore from Odisha's Bhubaneswar, where an army officer's fiance was assaulted by the police in the cell itself. Well, yes, this has happened in Odisha's Bhubaneswar. Well, let's first discuss what actually transpired in this case. On the intervening night of 14th of September, an army officer and his fiancée were returning to their home when certain men started following them. And upon that very follow-up, they actually approached a police station in Bhubaneswar and they tried to register a complaint against those men who were chasing them. But instead, the police actually arrested or perhaps took into custody the army officer and also the fiancé of that army officer. And in fact, the gruesome details are emerging in this case. And in fact, the victim in this case, who is the army officer's fiancé, said that she was brutally assaulted inside the jail when actually she tried to register and complain. Well, her ordeal is bone chilling, and what she narrated is something nobody could even imagine. Well, she said that first she was tied with her own jacket, and in fact she was thrown in one of the cells or in one of the rooms in the police station, and then certain male officers and female officers started beating her and started assaulting her. Well, army took cognizance of this very matter, and in fact they approached the government of Odisha to take action in this case, and now this entire inquiry has been handed over to CBCID in this very matter. Now, a lot of furor has also been witnessed in this very matter, where on one hand politics is also erupting, where the Congress and BJD are cornering the Bharatiya Janata Party for this very case. Well, the BJP is also protesting across the state, and Congress has said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi should speak on this very issue. Meanwhile, the Odisha's Women's Commission has also taken suo motu cognizance of this very matter, and they actually, one committee or one group of members visited that very police station where this gruesome incident happened, and they said that a committee will be formed, and in fact on a suo motu basis an entire investigation will be done in this very matter. Well, a lot of evidences are coming to the fore in this very case, but one thing is very clear: what has happened with the victim in this very case is unimaginable, and the kind of ordeal she has narrated is also bone chilling. Meanwhile, the BJP is going all out against the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they're saying that the kind of law and order which is prevailing in the state is absolutely worrisome, and in fact the Congress on the other hand is continuously saying the Prime Minister should speak on this very issue. Meanwhile, after the intervention of the High Court in this matter, the victim in this very matter was released from the jail, and now she's being treated at AIIMS Bhubaneswar. But this very case had garnered a lot of attention nationally also, because what has happened with this woman is something unimaginable, and that too being a fiancé of an army officer. Well, the investigation is still underway in this very matter, but the details which are emerging in this case are absolutely gory, and in fact the police, the inspector who was in charge of that police station was suspended immediately, and in fact now this entire investigation into this very matter will be taken up by the CID. This is Yash Goel with video journalist Pradeep Kumar for CNN News 18.